Hello friends, in the previous video we had seen about simple future tense, the sentence pattern, sentences and uses of it. Today we are focusing on future continuous tense. So let us start. First of all, we will see the sentence pattern of future continuous tense. Look here, yes plus shall be or will be plus V1 ing plus O. Yes stands for subject plus shall be or will be. These are the auxiliary verbs we are using in this tense. Plus V1 ing, it means we have to attach ing to the basic form of the verb plus object. Okay, yes plus shall be or will be plus V1 ing plus O. Now we will make some sentences taking eat as a main verb and mango as an object. Look here, there are some sentences using each and every pronoun as a subject. I shall be eating a mango. We shall be eating a mango. You will be eating a mango. You will be eating a mango. He will be eating a mango. She will be eating a mango. It will be eating a mango. They will be eating a mango. If we observe all these sentences, only I and we, in front of I and we are using shall be, and in front of rest of the pronouns we are using will be. Okay, only shall be is in front of I and we. Understand? These are the sentences of future continuous tense. Now we will see the uses. Look here, uses of future continuous tense. First use, look here, we use this tense to talk about actions which will be in progress at a time in the future. Actions which will be in progress at a time in the future. For example, let us see the example. This time tomorrow I will be playing table tennis. It means this action will be in progress at a time in the future. Okay, this time tomorrow I will be playing table tennis. Second example, I think he will be traveling by the train. It means this time tomorrow I think he will be traveling by the train. He will be in the train and traveling will be going on. It means things will be in progress at a time in the future. At that time we are using this tense. Then second use, this tense is also used to talk about actions in the future which are already planned or which are expected to happen. The things which we are expecting to happen in the future, or already they are planned. Timetable is there and we are expecting those things will happen in future. At that time also we are going to use future continuous tense. For example, we will be getting together next week. It means our get together is happening in next week. Therefore sentence is like this: we will be getting together next week. Second, he will be joining us next month. He is going to join us but in next month. It means this is planned, or things which we are expecting to happen. In such case we are going to use this future continuous tense. Okay, so I hope you would like this video. Please like it, share it, watch this video again and again, do the practice. We will meet in the next video. That's all. Thank you.